Habit of all successful relationships. Here are 3 key habits that are common in all successful relationships. First, open and honest communication. Successful couples talk frequently, openly, and honestly. They express their needs, concerns, and feelings respectfully. They listen to understand and not to win. Second, mutual respect and appreciation. They value each other's individual opinion and boundary. They say thank you and show appreciation often. They treat each other as teammates, not competitors. Third, quality time and physical intimacy. They prioritize each other. They maintain physical and emotional closeness, even in some ways. In conclusion, they apologize when wrong and forgive genuinely. They stay calm, avoid blaming each other, focus on solving the issue. It go work.